Tons of gold crypto investing. If we take a look at the coins and what's going on here, XRP had that phenomenal pump that has continued. But first, we're going to start with Bitcoin. You can see we had a little bit of a rally last night, and we're running up near and pretty close to the old regional highs from back here from the other day after the big pump with the big wicks, the long consolidation, the falling volume. And now we're coming up near touching this area. But you can see how these wicks in this trading is. You're either going to get a hyper pump, which the hyper pump would bring you all the way up to 40,000 or 38,000, 39,000, or the volume's about to come back in and you're about to have a big dump all the way back down to about the 23,000 and change, right? And that's what I'm going to be watching out for in the Bitcoin price over the next several days, several weeks, is for the Bitcoin price to start a massive reversal after it comes off this top. You can see XRP have this beautiful blow off top right there regionally, and it got up to about 58 cents into the mid part of the blue trading zone, as we've been watching out for as our one of two possible upper targets. The upper target is 68 to 70 cents at the top part of the blue trading zone. But if we zoom into the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we pumped way up into there. Now we've had a nice steady orderly consolidation down to the 50-day moving average. And your major area of support now is going to be something that you need to hold to continue this bullish move, is this 50 cents, which used to be the major upper resistance that we were watching out for as it's run into now right here. But now since it's over that line, we're going to look to see if we can't hold this as support, right? And then if we hold this as support on the 100-day moving average in blue, then we could try to make a much, much bigger pump if we could build some kind of a base and some momentum and stability up here, right? If not, and we zoom out to the daily time frame, we're going to see a big consolidation that would come down near the moving average down there at 37 cents. If we have some kind of a big consolidation and a big pattern change as we work our way up into this major resistance box, this whole blue trading box is a big area of resistance. And it's going to be trying to beat and slash and cut the price down the whole time it's in here. So we'll see if this is just a blip on the radar or if this is something that can be sustained a little bit more. And if it can get sustained and it can get supported up into here, we can try to build a base and maybe move up farther. If not, this is just going to be a regional, big blow-off, oversold bounce, just like you had right there. And then once it got reversed upon, it completely reversed and bounced back and gave back everything that it had very quickly and very swiftly. And that's what we're going to be watching out for to see if that happens here. Ethereum, we're going to have to zoom in here. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Take a look at that. We'll take a look at Ethereum as we zoom in. You can see we're in the middle of this red trading zone, which is the VP volume indicator. And right now, like the last time we looked, we were trying to decide how we were going to work our way through this, and we're getting these big wicks. So the volume pumps, and then it dumps really quick. You see how these big wicks are? You get the pump, but then it immediately sells off in each direction, because what's trying to go on is what's trying to happen is the trading signals are mixed. You're in here where there's very little trading volume, where the price likes to move quickly, but there's not much guidance for direction. And the closer you get up here to 19,000, the top part of this red trading zone, the more sellers there's going to be. But the whole time it's in here, unless you get some kind of crazy volume and buy volume to push you up, the whole time you're in this trading zone, that the market wants to sell off the trading algorithms and the computer software systems that hedge funds and big traders use to trade with, and institutional traders are telling them to sell in this zone, right? But the retail is trying to buy and trying to trump and supersede what the computer trading software is doing. You can see the DOGECOIN up around potential of about 8.5 cents up there on that horizontal right to left red line. Like, subscribe, and share on this very early 5:38 in the morning on March the 30th. In northwestern Illinois, in the Rockford, Blue, Belvedere metropolitan area. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace.